Welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Do you like sandwich wraps? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a flourless breakfast wrap. The main ingredient will be coming from this bed of salad greens. These greens are broad, firm, and crisp, perfect for breakfast wraps. See the freshness? Listen to the crisp sounds. Salad greens are found in supermarkets in bags of mixed greens. Now let's go make some wraps. Come with me to the kitchen. These greens are the length and width of a dinner plate. They need to be washed under running water. Pat dry them on a paper towel. These ingredients will be part of the filling. Spray your non-stick skillet with oil. Then pour the egg white into the skillet. Break up the sausage into smaller pieces and spread it around in the skillet. Season with your favorite spices. I'm using black pepper, cumin, nutritional yeast, and shredded cheese. Now that it is solid, it is time to make the wraps. I'm going to make 4 wraps. Now it's time to spread the mayonnaise on the salad greens. Then place 1 piece of the egg omelette in the center. Also, I have decided to add some mashed avocados and tomatoes. These pepper flakes will add some spice. Roll the ingredients together in a tight wrap. Finish the rest in the same manner. By the way, I'm using vegan veggies. Tastes just like the regular ones. Now breakfast is ready. I've decided to add the guava from the garden and a few pieces of apples. What do you think about this flourless breakfast wrap? Would you give it a try? Let me know in the comment section. And check out this book. Remember to get your copy of this easy to read interactive devotional called Letters to 16 Strong Biblical Women. And while you're getting yours, get one for a friend or a family member. You will find the Amazon link in the description. Thanks in advance.